In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightning app in Salesforce using the Lightning App Manager and Builder. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step so you can customize and launch your app with confidence. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. This little gear is your gateway to all the settings and configuration options you might need. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This area is your hub for all the tools you'll use to bring your app ideas to life. Now that you're in Advanced Setup, you'll see a box labeled Quick Find. Think of this as your search engine within Salesforce. It's incredibly handy for quickly locating exactly what you need. Type in App Manager into this box. This search takes you right to the section where you can manage and create applications. Go ahead and click on App Manager to get started. Once you're in App Manager, you'll see an option to create something new. A new Lightning app, specifically. Click on the New Lightning App button. This is where your app begins to take shape. You will be prompted to enter a name and description for your app. Choose a name that is both descriptive and intuitive. This makes it easier for users to understand the app's purpose immediately. You also have the option to upload a custom app icon. While optional, adding a custom icon can enhance the app's visual appeal and contribute to brand recognition, making your app easily identifiable. Next up, you'll want to select a primary color for your app's branding. This not only ensures that your app aligns visually with your organization's brand standards or personal preference, but also delivers a cohesive look and feel. Consider how your users will navigate through the app. Select the navigation style that best suits their needs and specify the supported form factors. This choice dictates whether your app is optimized for desktop, mobile, or both. You'll also be given the option to configure utility bar items if you wish. This feature can enhance user productivity by providing quick access to frequently used tools and functions, reducing the need to toggle between screens. Think carefully about which objects, components, or pages will be included in the app's navigation. Properly organize these items to ensure an intuitive and user-friendly experience. Decide which user profiles will have access to the app. This step is crucial for maintaining both security and relevance by ensuring that only authorized users can interact with the app's features. Once all your selections have been made and you're happy with the setup, click Save and Finish. This action completes the process, making your app available for use by the selected profiles. Congratulations! You've just created a Lightning app in Salesforce. With these customization possibilities, you're now well on your way to providing a powerful tool that meets your organizational needs. Thank you for watching, and enjoy working with your new app.